Number 3, here is for sun. This is the sound is sun, and here is the misu, mi and su, misu. So these two types of sound of this kanji here, the meaning is 3 or third. 3 and third in both cases. Here if you use the only stroke is like that. So if you use here first, the middle one, second a smaller one, third longer one, third longer one. So here the sun, so here is sun. The meaning of this kanji is 3, only 3, sun. So later again, so again san kaku. So here san kaku, san kaku, that means a triangle. This is the sun, we know that this is sun, and here is sound is kaku, san kaku. This is the triangle, triangle, san kaku, san kaku, that means triangle, san kaku. So kaku, the stroke of this one here, first, second and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. So this is the stroke of this kanji, kaku. A stroke of this kanji, this is the kaku. So san kaku, triangle, sun, again the march, so sun, here gachu again, so this is the sun gachu. The meaning of this one, the march, third month of the year, sun, in the sun gachu, G-A-T-S-U, sun gachu, triangle, gachu. The kanji stroke is first, second, this is the third and fourth. So over there the gachu, sun gachu, that means March, but third month of the year.